Alright, so we back once again. Today is Thursday. We are halfway through the trading week. Dollar index yesterday, you see, we got another run to retest this old internal buy side that's been ran, and a rejection also taken yesterday, sell side and buy side, or the previous day, sell side and buy side. So now again, the idea is we want to see if price can seek to get below this low. Want to grade the swing. Possibly could not. This right here is the previous quarter's low. So if price is bullish, we could, if price is still bullish rather, even though which nothing has happened to signify that we are starting to seek here and here just yet with this run on buy side. Although again, long term, I am bearish. Want to see if we can still get, if price wants to seek a higher premium, as we've already shifted structure back into the range. So we see if, if price wants to reach down for this low here at 97.35. But with this graded swing on this wick, on this candle's wick here, this 50%, we could possibly see that hold and previous quarter be the catalyst for some type of resistance. Take this off because I don't really like that 4 hour. You see we got a gap down. Price is already traded back into it. It ran this sell side liquidity here from Monday, New York. Ran Monday's New York liquidity, traded higher, saw some resistance in a new gap, a weekly opening gap, and it's starting to trade lower again. Yeah, we got 2.5 hours left on this candle as well. And news is coming out in about 10 minutes, unemployment claims, which are expected to rise. So we could possibly see that be the catalyst for lower prices. And again, if it is bearish, Sunday's low. So we would be looking at possibly the high being formed at London, Wednesday high of the week. Protocol is by Friday we should see it below here. If it is Wednesday's high of the week is priced in the sell profile, weekly profile. So we're gonna be waiting for that. I think the other day I had said that this was like last Friday's low. Just misspoke. It was Sunday. So again, I want to see if price is gonna reach for this. One hour. Again, we got that new day opening gap here. Price trading into it now. And if we was to start trading higher, we want to see price hold here inside this weekly opening gap and start to trade higher. also seen price coming into this imbalance here. This SIBI. It's 1 hour SIBI, so I'm taking liquidity trading into this SIBI. Now it's running lower. This right here was like late PM session liquidity. So yeah, the idea is we looking for Sunday's low to end the week. That's a good target. Here we have let's go NASDAQ daily. Again, it's strong delivery to the buy side yesterday. We want to see price seek to reach for, now that we have buy side internal has been taken. You see price did not close above it. We want to see price reach for this possible change in the state of delivery. Run into the weekly open, or February's open rather. It's already traded into the yearly open. We want to see if it reach into this February's open, and that'll be at 527. Stay above here at this change in the state of delivery. See if this gap will stay open as well, and reach a little higher. We have this order block. We take the high from here to here, grade it out. We have 50% of this would be 25,779. So we're gonna take that 25,779. Gonna take that right there. This could also be another target, possibly for next week. Got about 2 minutes till the weekly to open and bet equities open and the news release. So yeah, 4 hour. Again, we had that gap down from where price closed at to now. You see that gap down. Price closed below buy side. Looked like it just traded into that SIBI. We had a low here at 25,264, 25,264. So it just missed this SIBI. Did not trade into it. Again, we do have this change in the state of delivery. This is also a 4 hour breaker here as it take this. Hold on to see if price is gonna hold and continue to seek higher. Major, this is a BISI. I'm just pronouncing everything wrong right now. Four-hour BISI. News has just been released. And what we have is unemployment claims are less than forecasted, but a little bit higher than the previous number. Only about 4,000, but 5,000 less than what they expected. So it's good news for the dollar. And here we have price making its way back above London's high. London high there. You have a tight range from London and New York, or London low to London high. Was no real trading movement. See no real movement in price last night or early this morning. Yeah, real tight range, 340. You see S&P has not reached its possible change in the state delivery just yet. Go back to the daily. Again, we want to see this whole price is actually above February's open here. We also have this buy side liquidity at 712, which I think yes, that is that buy side that NASDAQ is already taken. So we want to see if price wants to reach into that. YM. I want to see YM above here. See if YM seeks to get above this level, or possibly even sell side liquidity. I mean, previous week's high rather. I'm gonna delete this. We have gold here. No real movement inside of this range. We want to see if price could be bullish to again reach for this 53.19. Yesterday was an inside day though, and from the looks of it, there has been no movement at all today. A lot of choppy price action back and forth. Excuse me. What I see is liquidity has been right here. We could possibly start seeing price seek higher. What I'm already seeing on the 15 second. It's reaching higher. But yeah, no real. I want to see price above here. I want to see price back above what looks like a pre-session. London's pre-session highs. We have this low that was taken yesterday, and that's a gap down. Price trades up. Yeah, this is just real choppy price action. Nothing in here that warrants sell or buy as of right now. We have like an hour left in this candle closure. So again, I want to see this candle and 7 o'clock. I want to see if we see like some reversing, some movement to the upside by 6:37 hour. Again. This is Asian pre-session lows there. We want to say that this could have been a change in the state of delivery on the hourly. Trade back up into this busy. Running lower now. Trade back into new day open, or this gap, opening gap. And again, price needs to get back above 202. We'll be looking for that move back above 202. In order for the bulls to come back in. Could be possibly just seeking lower to run Asia's low and this low here. We've had no ADRs this whole week. It looks like we had one ADR. Yes, one ADR in this down move. Yep. Tuesday was the only day we seen an ADR reach, so we should be starting to see some price action sell off. I want to see if or some aggressive movement either way, whichever way. We should start to see that happening. It has not reached that 92 level that I marked out just yet, so that's also a good sign. We have, whereas this inversion right here. We're now in silver. Silver's taking its previous day's low. Wow. gold has not just yet. So that's interesting. We have these two sell side. We have these two imbalances, which indicates to me that this is very bearish. This is interesting. Whereas price was not an inside day yesterday. We have an expansion higher. We see that. I'm gonna take this off. Also don't want to take this off just yet because this is that high that was just ran. This is a short-term high that was just ran. Again, 92.01 is the price we're looking for, so it's too close to the high to not take it. Just don't know when it's going to take it, if it'll be today. 4 hour. Yeah, Tuesday low of the week. We are. See. Yeah. I'm still favoring that 92.01 to be ran. We just need to wait for price action to show us that it's ready to take that. Again, an hour close. We got this imbalance here, which is not good. Could signal lower prices some more. It needs to be. We need to start seeing some bullish price action coming into play pretty soon. We got a change in the state of delivery on the 4 hour right here, and that sells off there. So nothing clear and obvious just yet. Let me wait. We have it down here, up. Seeing some strong rejection off of previous day's low, so that's also a good sign. Oil dump, heavy dump. Yeah, Monday high of the week, running previous week's high. It's a heavy dump. Want to see if it'll respect this breaker here and show some close back above it, the mean threshold of that candle, or at least close within this range. That's a heavy dump, especially during London. So let me see the prices sell. Just gotta clear these imbalances here before we start seeing price action. We could possibly see a strong, once it do clear these imbalances, a strong move back to the top, as this was the last place where price buy side liquidity was taken. I guess you could say here this was internal buy side, but this is the more important one to me. So gotta wait for that. We got 30 minutes left till the candle. We have 7 minutes, 8 minutes till the next hourly candle opens. Bitcoin seeing some heavy push to the upside yesterday. Did not close above its change in the state of delivery. Could possibly see it reach for the previous week's high though. I wouldn't be surprised for that. Ultimately though, I'm still bearish until it actually did, trade above this high. Let me go weekly. Yeah, we still got way too much. Could possibly start seeing some build up into to this range though for a little bit. See a slight retracement for the next week or so. Probably going into March, that would be likely. Trade higher a little bit into this range here. Create the range. Yeah, that's the 50% level, so I tapped the 50%. Could possibly see it back up into like 75, 74, 75. It's a good premium. Probably tank again. Tank this high, 72, 250. It's possible. Or it could just move lower from here and take that level that we've been waiting for at 58,000 at 58,863. You see, price is already taking its previous week's high in Ethereum and that high there. So we have S&T between the three major cryptos. This high has been taken. Changing the state, it closed above it. Ripple did not close above its change in state. Just took this liquidity and actually did trade above it here, the range here. So some more. There's a lot going on. We're just waiting for it. See what's happening. We got Tesla making a move up from yesterday. Again, I want to see Tesla down into 383. Probably won't get that for the week though. So retracement to end of month. And that'll take us down. Apple up. Apple looks like it's going back towards previous back towards all-time highs. Wayfair down some more. Next logical area will probably be in here somewhere. 67, 65. Investco QQ. They don't tell us what's happening here. Netflix. Need to see Netflix back above here. We could possibly see a strong push in Netflix once it does start to push. I think that's a good trade idea. Here, Broadwind Inc. Its down gap is concerning. I wanted to see it above here a few towards the beginning of the month. And price action has just been selling since then, so ain't no telling. Could be coming back to these lows. It's a deep retracement. I also wanted to see 2760 for SMCI to begin the month. That has not been happening, but you can see like price action just been ranging for the month of February too. No real indication as to what it wants to do. It's looking to take that high though, possibly trade higher into this fair value gap on the monthly, and then we can probably see that move lower. Planetar, I wanted to see Planeteer up into this area, possibly take 40, 45, and well, really I don't want it to take 45. I think that internal range liquidity would be enough. Boom, boom, sell it down if it is going to 118 and 105 as I anticipate. Russell, 2000 IWM, I want to see 271. I wanted to see it above 271 this week. I think I had a little bit too, was a little too ambitious on my projections, my ideas for this week, as again, this is the last month, the last week of February, so, you know, usually you just, price makes its move towards the middle of the month, second, third week, you know, monthly profile, accumulation, manipulation, distribution, accumulation, up there. But yeah, I want to see 271. We didn't get no close below 260, so that's good for me. I want to see it stay high. SPY, if S&P is up, SPY will be up, so 697 is what I was looking for in SPY. That's it. New candle. Candle open. 1 hour. Dollar respecting that new week opening gap. That new day opening gap. Let's see what it does here. We got a wick off of London's high. Could possibly see a move down into this busy. I think that we probably gotten a few ADRs reached on. ADR was not reached there, not there today or yesterday. ADR was reached yesterday, and that's it. No Sunday, no Monday. No Tuesday, Wednesday it was reached. So you could possibly see some big moves within the next 2 days. And NASDAQ again. We just waiting. With no imbalances to the inside of gold, and gold is starting to make that push higher. Again, I want to see what I'm liking this bullish move here in gold right now. It's a move. could possibly see gold take Asia's low. I think Asia's low is 180, 170, 169, 163. We looking at yesterday's low will be all the way down here into 136. If it was to catch up to silver. See, we got that good. It just needs to trade higher, and it needs to give me something to like better than this right now. Let's see, where are we in there? I got that low in there. The silver just keeps creating sell side imbalances. It's too close not to favor Asia's sell side. I think I'm gonna take a short here, targeting Asia's sell side.
Order filled.
Stop is above. $183. Asia sell side is at 570. We get below 177, I'll reduce my risk. Boom, we got 170 low. We are below 170. Stop loss is now at 580, 5180. Prices stay bearish here. Again, stop is at 189. I want it to stay lower here. If we get back below 176, I'll move my stop once again.
Order filled.
Stopped out at 181. Waiting for more information now. Take a look at and NASDAQ with about 15 minutes until the opening bell. Getting some movement in gold. I think this is just a deep retracement. Again, I still want to see when this low be taken. It makes like the most sense right now. Yeah. Has to start getting short though. think a clearing of this imbalance on the 15 second. Try this sell.
Order filled.
Stop is above 51.84. Again, we looking for 170. That's the move we want to see. We'll stay lower. That's a good move down. I should have took that trade up into there. Getting back below 176. Want to see if we can build this position up. Possibly. Missed that volume imbalance there. Sell one more.
Order filled.
Reducing my risk down to 51.83. We're gonna be stopped out of here too.
Order filled.
Stopped out. Minutes to the opening bell. Could have possibly been forcing that sale into Asia, so you see a change in the state of delivery here. It needs to just get above here in order for. Now we getting that move up. Yeah, possibly was a force. Counter trend, trade. Again, but you see, still weak in comparison. Silver still weak. Showing a lot of consolidation though. We're getting a sell down. And London's lows. Mark out London's lows here as well. "45 seconds. This move, making this move, 630. Boom. Now you get that move down. And go. Just a little bit too early in that move, in those two shorts on gold. It's a little too early. There you got that 170, boom, 160, 150, wow. It's a little too early. 158, 161. It's a little too early in that short, man. You could possibly see it reaching for previous day's low now. Side. That's interesting. makes sense. But 482. 420. 250. Drawings are not loading. So my drawings. Getting that move up and above and go back and move. Where are the drawings? Let's see it tap that new week, open the gap again. 54, 48. It might be inside this imbalance here. Into that gap. We're gonna buy.
Order filled.
We bought 2 there. Stop losses below. Stop loss below 172. Or 176 rather. I want to see it back above that high there. I want to see it back above the high at 51.91. We're getting a deep retracement.
Order filled.
Stop taking.
Order filled.
I want to see price make its move back above 191. We've got 191. Fifteen-minute candle closure. In 5 seconds. I want to see 195. I'm gonna see price stay up here. Shift higher here. Again, 195. We'll sell 3 there at 195. I'm gonna reduce my risk. I don't like this deep retracement. Could be getting stopped here. Stop.
Order filled.
Wow. Wow. That was a crazy move. See if it holds here. And that's it for me. This was a Tough trading day. Just got wrecked. Just got wrecked. It's a heavy consolidation. Got that down, then we just could not stay above there. New 5-minute candle open. Let's see this one. This candle be the one to make its move. Ooh, it's a rough trading day today. hitting that move down into the BISI. Q made his way above that high. $7 open. New 4-hour candle open. Now this is the hour we anticipate the reversal to come. You see, after doing what it's been doing since 6, you will now want to see the reversal happen. So you want to start seeing price make its move higher. Again, this low still hasn't been taken. You want to see it make its move. There's no gaps in price, so there's no reason why there should be like a strong resistance for that move to happen.